of a child's growth.
The Additional Deputy Commissioner of South West Khasi Hills District, L.T. Taryang, has ordered a probe into the allegations of irregularities into the distribution of ration under Ranikor Civil Subdivision, South West Khasi Hills District. The probe was initiated following the meeting of the FKJHP with the ADC. FKJHP General Secretary of the district, Balse Kharbani, informed that during the meeting the ADC clarified that the government has released the rice to the wholesaler and therefore he has ordered an inquiry into the issue.
Tendin dah nilai kedua anak kini observe depa ya ka supply ki ong ba nak liang ka office ka da issue itu kau initial haki hosla kan mereka balong kalong baik pen ba nang sung tu ki ojo sengi ba hadu menta ke kini ki live na ing shimla yo yu kau te nak liang jung nilai kedua observe ka respond ni kam ki ong ba sa hapok sansi nak liang odun chung ser ko hapok sansi sa pha inquiry dan wat initial ba share ko itu kau.
The El Elyon Institute has